Guys, welcome back in another Animal Comedy video. Today, we're checking out the newest leaks that's happening today. It's going to be the fourth reband. It's finally happening, and Office is coming out today. And I'm going to show you the one leak that was in the Animal Comedy channel. Go on there. I'm going on their channel. This is the first leak. Watch, guys. Watch, guys. So now the top of the forest is gonna get dark. That's the first leak, and if we come to forest right here, this looks like the exact same place where Ogre was at. And exact same place means it's actually gonna be a big revamp. And this forest is gonna be much more darker. And this forest is gonna change darker. So I think that's all for the leaks, but I need to go check if there's more leaks. I don't have Discord, so I'm showing them to you no, we're gonna go back to the video. Okay, so see, I'm gonna. Does that look like the same forest? And Ogre's not in the dark place. So that's the newest one. And I don't know if they have anything in their post. Yeah. Yeah, there's no nerves. Oh my god. I'm gonna leaks. And it looks like we're gonna be getting a new Yeah, see, I don't like. So I think those are the leak. What is that for scare? Why did it updated? Hold up.